The cash flow check-in is different from the cash flow summary we looked at earlier. The cash flow summary gives you a projection of how you should finish each calendar month based on your budget. The cash flow check-in, on the other hand, is designed for short-term planning. It isn't limited to a single month. You can check your cash flow for the next week, the next 2 weeks, this month, or even a custom date range that spans multiple months. Start by selecting the time period you'd like to plan for. For this example, I'll leave it set to this week. Next, enter your current checking account balance. This should be the amount that's actually available to spend right now. If you're expecting any income during this period that hasn't already been recorded elsewhere in the planner, enter it under expected income. If you know you'll have any additional spending outside of your regular budget, such as a birthday gift, car repair, or another one-time purchase, you can add it under extra expenses. You can also add multiple extra expenses if needed. The Bills Due section automatically includes any unpaid bills that are scheduled within your selected time period, so you don't have to calculate them yourself. If you'd like to see exactly which bills are included in the calculation, simply select View Bills. On the right-hand side, the planner automatically combines your current balance, expected income, extra expenses, and bills due to estimate what your balance should be at the end of the selected period. For example, let's say I currently have $100 in my checking account. I'm expecting another $300 this week, and I know I'll spend an extra $40 on a birthday gift. My scheduled bills total $62.15. As I enter each amount, the projected balance updates automatically, giving me a quick picture of where I'll finish the week. If the projected balance is negative, the planner lets you know before it happens, giving you time to adjust your spending, delay a purchase, or make other plans. If you'd like to see what your projection would look like using money from your savings, simply turn on the Use Savings in Projection option. The planner will include your available savings in the calculation, so you can see whether transferring some of your savings would cover the shortfall. If you do decide to use some of your savings, remember you'll also need to transfer that money from your savings account into your checking account at your bank. Then, update the planner by reducing the balance of the savings goal or account you withdrew it from, so both your bank accounts and your planner continue to match. As your checking account balance changes or you receive additional income, simply update the amounts and select Refresh Calculator to keep your projection current. Think of the cash flow summary as your month-end forecast and the cash flow check-in as your flexible planning tool. One helps you see how you'll finish each month, while the other lets you plan ahead for any time period you choose, even if it crosses from one month into the next. Together, they help you stay one step ahead and avoid unexpected cash flow surprises.